Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to integrate different payment gateways on ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have the home, orders, products, we have the fulfillment and analytics, marketing and sales, contacts, apps, settings, and the online store at the very end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and integrate different payment gateways on ShopBase. So go to your ShopBase admin panel and log in with your credentials, of course. And in the admin panel, go to settings, which is here. Then under the payment provider section, click add payment provider. So it is here. Then select the payment gateway you want to integrate from the list of available options. ShopBase supports various payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, Payoneer, Checkout.com, etc. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen payment gateway. You will need to log into your payment gateway account and authorize the connection. Once connected, configure it to payment settings such as payment method, currency, and other preferences. Make sure to save your changes to complete the setup. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.